Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick and easy how-to on doing a oil light reset and a hydro light reset. It's very simple, very fast, just something that you need to know if you're doing your own hydro changes, your own oil changes, and even just your own services. This is just something that you should know. It's very simple. You're gonna be sitting on the machine. You have to be sitting. The brake has to be up, and then you're gonna come over here to the screen, and your key is gonna be 4 on keys. So it's gonna be on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, and then 1 handle in, and that's gonna reset your oil.
Hello, IT. Have you tried turning it off and on again?
And then for the hydro, it's gonna be 6 keys. So on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. 1 handle in, it's gonna reset your hydros. To do the oil light reset, this is how we're gonna do it, and let's do it now. So it's 1 key on, 2 key on, 3 key on, and 4. Pull 1 handle in, and it's gonna reset on the screen. You'll see it say 100 with the wrench on it. And then to do the hydros, you're gonna do the same thing, but 6 keys. So 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, 4 key, 5 key, 6, handle in, and that's gonna reset your hydro, and then it's gonna say 500, okay? Good to go. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Austin, I work at Main Street Mower. If you wanna check out any of our stuff, visit us here, and if you have any questions about what we just talked about, write down in the comments. Thank you.